Hey, Casey Faris here, and I'm really excited to announce our new course, Fusion Zero to Hero. This is a course designed to take content creators from knowing nothing about visual effects and motion graphics to truly thinking like a compositor. We've been making online courses on DaVinci Resolve for a long time. We've learned a lot about how to structure courses and how people learn. And the very most important thing to me has always been, I want somebody to be able to do new and amazing things at the end of the course that they couldn't do before. And after a lot of thinking and considering, I realized I love to help people learn to make motion graphics and visual effects. It's like that little extra spice that takes your videos from good to awesome. Seeing that moment when one of the concepts clicks with somebody is really what makes it worth it to me. And it's a magical thing to level up your skills because now you can do something forever that you've never been able to do. It can be truly life-changing for that person. We went back to the drawing board and we really considered what would be the single most effective high-value course we could ever make on Fusion. So we got together a pool of content creators who didn't know much about Fusion, and we asked them what would truly help you reach the next level. We came to one conclusion. Nobody needs a course on Fusion or After Effects or Blender or any piece of software. The software is really just a tool, and you can learn how to use a tool in a lot of different ways. You can binge YouTube videos, you can read books, you can just open up the software and mess around with it. The one defining factor that we see time and time again that makes the difference when someone is learning Fusion is a mindset change. Anyone can follow a series of steps to recreate a green screen effect or design an animation, but the person who's able to take the concepts from those exercises and internalize them and apply them to new ideas is the one that really unlocks the new levels of creativity. Like, those are the people that we see making the epic videos with original ideas and creating new mind-blowing things. So we thought, what if we made a course that didn't teach you just how to use Fusion, but taught you how to think like somebody who is amazing at Fusion? That could really change somebody's career and their creative power and their life. And that's what we've created here with Fusion Zero to Hero. It's an online course designed for content creators who edit with DaVinci Resolve. And we start not just with the basics of the Fusion page, but the very foundations of why you'd even want to use the Fusion page. We dive into the concepts of visual effects and animation and motion graphics to build a solid foundation so that you know what the heck you're talking about, and you have an idea of what's involved and the kinds of things that are even possible. The course guides you through our specially designed roadmap to take you from knowing nothing about graphics and effects to being comfortable with the tools and creating your own strategies on how to solve problems and create original effects and make beautiful animations. We're not just teaching you how to use the tools. We're teaching you how to think for yourself. The other major problem with online courses is that they're often not really very interactive. If we really want to help you learn, we have to be able to connect with you on a regular basis. So when you get the course, if you want to, you can join us on Discord, which is a free platform where you can connect with other students and ask questions and get help anytime you need. So you'll have an invite to join our server that's been totally redesigned to support your learning journey and help you build that compositor's mindset. And every few lessons, you'll have a challenge to test your skills and check in to see where you're at. You can post the challenges sort of like homework and get quick feedback from other students and from our team. You'll also have access to my new live workshops, which are on Discord, where I work with you one-on-one to solve any problems or clarify concepts where you might be having trouble. This way of working together and sharing in community and getting that high quality feedback, it just turbocharges learning. Here's what some of our students have to say.
I didn't know how any of the nodes worked or any of the concepts. After just 1 week, everything changed. Anytime I have interesting ideas or cool things that I want to do, I know how to do that in Fusion and I don't have to rely on the edit tab. I basically just leveled up my my video editing game.
I was completely self-taught when I started the Ground Control Fusion course, so I really liked how it broke it down into these very easily digestible pieces so that you could learn at your own pace and you could also follow along because I'm a visual learner, so that worked really well for me.
The course has given me the confidence I needed to go from doing very basic VFX and motion graphics to becoming a better compositor. It gives you the confidence and the abilities to do what's in your head and bring it to life.
I thought I knew a fair bit about editing until it came to Fusion. Now, thanks to this course, I understand what it is to be a compositor versus an editor.
I'm actually able to look at other creators' videos and understand how to break that down within the Fusion page. In my opinion, I think overall when you encompass everything in there and also the compositor's mindset that you'll adopt as a result of this, that ability to look at videos, understand how things are made and then be able to recreate yourself, I think that this course is worth the price.
Basically, we've created this course to be unlike any other course on the planet. You can learn to do an effect anywhere, but we're not teaching you how to do an effect. We're teaching you how to think like a compositor. And that's going to be the key to making the things that you can only dream about. So, are you in? The course is called Fusion Zero to Hero. It's available now at groundcontrol.film. Now, maybe you're still not sure about this. Maybe you have some questions. Well, here's some of the answers to kind of the most common questions and the things that tend to come up when we present something like this. One is, who is the course for? We've designed Fusion Zero to Hero from the ground up for content creators who use DaVinci Resolve. So if you're familiar with the edit page of Resolve, you've been using it for a while, this course is perfect for you. Of course, if you have a little experience in other compositing or design or photo editing apps, that will definitely give you a leg up. But we'll still dive into the basics, and it's really never too late to build a solid foundation. What should I expect to be able to do at the end of the course? By the time you work through all of the lessons in the course, you'll understand the major compositing concepts that are common to really any kind of software. Any kind of effect that's meant to look realistic, or animated titles or templates or 3D animations, all of those kind of things build on the concepts that you'll be learning here. And what's cool is you'll be able to break down and analyze effects and graphics from videos and movies that you've been watching, and chances are you can have a pretty good idea of how you could make the same kind of thing yourself. Can't I just learn all of this on YouTube? You could probably learn some of the techniques in this course from binging a bunch of YouTube tutorials, but there's a couple problems with that. One is you usually don't have the files to download and follow along with the video, and so you can't really put the things that you're learning into action right away. You're also sort of learning a bunch of random things in no particular order, and who knows if they relate to each other. And if there are concepts that you don't understand, you have to go and look those up. Not to mention that there isn't a way really to get support if you just want to ask a simple question. With this course, you'll get the proven roadmap to take you from compositing noob to Fusion Pro, with top-notch support and exercises along the way. This is the best way to learn. What if I don't like the course? What if I don't get the results that you're promising? If you put in the work and you follow our plan, I'm pretty confident that you're gonna massively improve your Fusion skills in just a few weeks. And if you have trouble with any aspect of the course, or if something doesn't really make sense, we're here for you. You can email us or hit us up on Discord anytime and we'll take care of you. I know you're going to be super happy with this course. But if for whatever reason you're still not, we do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. How long is the course supposed to take? Well, that's up to you. A lot of students can finish the course within 7 or 8 weeks. Some take things a little slower, some go a little faster. There's no rush, and we'll always be there to support you along the way. What if Blackmagic comes out with a major update to DaVinci Resolve? We're always updating and refining the course, so if there's anything that changes or if there's any new features that get added to the Fusion page that'll help you out, we'll make sure to update the course so that you're always on the cutting edge. Can I download the lessons to view offline? Right now, the classes are available to stream when you have an internet connection only. That's because we want to be able to update the course and add lessons and keep everything up to date without asking you to re-download things, because that can be a pain, and we want to make sure that we're giving a consistent experience, and we'd rather just honestly keep things simple. Can I download the footage and follow along? Absolutely. In fact, a lot of the course is designed to be interactive. We always learn the best when we try things ourselves and get that experience. You can download all of the major assets from the course and try them out on your own system. What do I do if I'm ready to sign up? Just go to groundcontrol.film and get the course. You'll be enrolled into the course and you can start right away. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now for instant access and get that compositor's mindset. I'm really, really proud of this course. Thank you so much for checking it out. I'll see you guys next time.